Oh, yeah, Friday. I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout. So hopefully you're getting ready for a great weekend. We've got all kinds of great stuff going on here at Wildfire. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., we have our free open to the public class. All skill levels are welcome. I don't care if you have not worked out in years. You can come in and get a great workout in, have fun, and feel great. So tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., and then this is the first week of the 2019 CrossFit Games Open. So at 10 a.m., we're going to have a ton of our athletes here participating in 19.1, which is the first week of the Open workout. So get in here, come watch. We'll post it on Facebook Live and all kinds of good stuff. So getting right into it, we've got a warm-up. We're going to be doing 3 rounds today. 20 high knees, 10 glute bridges, 20 butt kickers, and then 10 donkey kicks. So again, 3 rounds. Start out with those high knees, get those knees up, stay on the toes, really get those arms and legs moving together. The faster you're able to move your feet, the better. If you can really tap and go and build up that intensity, get that heart rate up, that's what we're looking for. If you need to slow it down and do more of a standing march, that's okay too. So right plus left equals 1 on all the exercises today. So after the 20 high knees, we're going to go into 10 glute bridges. So on that glute bridge, you're going to be on your back, knees up, feet up underneath your butt, and push those hips in the air, and then right back down again. And just keep that motion going. Really squeeze every time. One thing I like to do here is I like to bring my feet up at the top, and that way I can really drive into the ground and get that butt up into the air and get that good butt squeeze. You can also do this from a seated position where you are getting your hands off the chair, the couch, and just pushing those hips up as well and getting that same motion going there for that glute bridge. And then we're going to go into 20 butt kickers. On that butt kicker, it's just the opposite of the high knee, really getting those heels to the butt every time. Again, bring up the intensity by going faster here, or slow it down by just doing more of a standing march. Each time, get the best range of motion possible. After the butt kickers, we're going to go into 10 donkey kicks. So on that donkey kick, you're on all fours, bring that leg up and behind you, and really get that bend each time. And again, we're really working the lower back and the glutes. So you can also do the donkey kick from a bench where you're keeping that leg bent as you drive that leg behind you if getting down on the ground is a challenge for you. So 3 rounds, 20 hollow ups, 10 glute bridges, 20 butt kickers, and 10 donkey kicks. For the workout today, we have got a 14-minute AMRAP. So set a watch, set a clock, then you're going to go for 14 minutes. You're going to do 10 air squats, 10 Superman, 10 mule kicks, and then 10 flutter kicks. So we got all kinds of kicking going on today. So starting out with those air squats, feet shoulder width apart, push those hips back and down, keep that chest up the entire time. Really work on depth each time, staying on those heels and getting more activity in the glutes and the hamstrings than anything. If you're doing a shorter air squat, that's going to put a lot more pressure on the knees. When you get that below parallel each time, you're releasing the pressure from the knees and putting it where it's supposed to be. You can also do this sitting down and standing up, or you can do this holding on to something to decrease the resistance. And this will just help you get deeper. Just make sure that object is solid and doesn't pull away from you. After your 10 air squats, we're going to do 10 Superman. On that Superman, you're flat on your stomach, arms above your head, and just bringing your chest and thighs off the ground and right back down. And just keep that motion going each time. You can also do this from a standing position and just push those hips out and right back. And just get that good motion so you get that squeeze in the core and in the butt each time. Then we've got 10 mule kicks. On the mule kick, you're going to kick that leg back, keep that foot that's planted. The foot should be solid on the ground each time. You're not going to your toes. Keep the heel flat, toes flat, and just kick that left leg back, then right leg back. And just alternate back and forth. Work on reaching down to the ground each time. Or do this holding on to something where you're just kicking that leg back, but you're not quite going all the way down to the ground. After your 10 mule kicks, you've got 10 flutter kicks. On that flutter kick, you're just going to be right in here, short kick, keep those toes pointed, keep that core engaged. If you need to put your hands underneath your butt, that's fine right here. You can also do this from a sitting position where you're doing that same kicking motion here. Keep everything engaged. Make sure you get that core activity. So 14 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 10 air squats, 10 mule kicks, 10 flutter kicks. 10 air squats, 10 Superman, 10 mule kicks, and 10 flutter kicks. So have fun with this one. Keep a nice, easy pace on it throughout the entire workout. Mark your rounds so you know what you completed, and then post your score on Beyond the Whiteboard. So thanks a lot, guys. Have fun. We'd love to see you this weekend. And if we don't, we'll see you again on Monday. So thanks a lot. Coach Skip signing off. Have a great weekend.